If you're over 60 or caring for someone who is, listen up. Most falls happen at home, but almost all of them are preventable. Here's how to make your home fall resistant in under a minute. Remove clutter, loose shoes, cables, and small rugs. Anything you can trip on, out of the way. Your walking path should always be wide and clean. Dim houses equals dangerous houses. Install nightlights in hallways, bathrooms, and bedrooms. Make sure switches are easy to reach and bulbs are bright. The bathroom is the #1 danger zone. Add non-slip mats, grab bars near the toilet, and shower and keep the floor dry at all times. If floors are too smooth, use non-slip strips or mats. Wear non-slip socks or shoes inside the house. No walking barefoot. Keep essentials at waist or shoulder level. No climbing on stools or chairs to reach something. Move daily items lower. Your safety matters. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more senior safety tips.